Everyone, in today's video, we will see how to connect the Logitech MX Master 3S via dongle, easy pairing setup and troubleshooting guide. So, step 1, insert the Logi Bolt receiver. Plug the include Logi Bolt USB receiver into a available USB port on your computer. The MX Master 3S used Logi Bolt wireless technology, not the older unifying receiver. Step 2, turn on the mouse. So slide the power switch on the bottom of the MX Master 3S to the on position. Step 2, select the device channel. So press the easy switch button on the underside of the mouse to choose channel 1, 2 or 3. Then hold the button for about 3 seconds until the LED start blinking, rapidly indicating pairing mode. Step 4, install Logitech Option Plus if needed. So download and open the Logitech Option Plus. Select Add Device Plus Setup Logi Bolt Receiver. Step 5, complete the pairing process. So follow the on-screen instructions to pair the mouse with the receiver. Once connected, the LED will stop blinking and remain steady. Goodbye and thanks for watching.